Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file small business LLC taxes. First, understand your LLC's tax classification. Most single-member LLCs are treated as sole proprietorships, meaning profits and losses pass through to your personal tax return. Multi-member LLCs are generally taxed as partnerships. However, you can elect for your LLC to be taxed as an S corporation or a C corporation, which changes how your business income is reported to the IRS. Next, gather all your essential financial documents. This includes detailed records of all income received and every business expense incurred throughout the tax year. Make sure to organize bank statements, receipts, and any payroll information if you have employees. Having your employer identification number, or EIN, readily available is also crucial for filing. Now, let's select the correct tax forms based on your LLC's classification. If you're a single-member LLC taxed as a sole proprietorship, you'll file Schedule C with your personal Form 1040. Multi-member LLCs taxed as partnerships use Form 1065. For those elected as S corporations, Form 1120S is required, and C corporations file Form 1120. Finally, it's time to file and pay your taxes. Most LLCs, especially those taxed as sole proprietorships, must file their federal return by April 15th. Partnerships and S corporations generally have an earlier deadline of March 15th. Remember to pay estimated taxes quarterly if you anticipate owing at least $1,000 in taxes for the year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.